Hello, beauties. It's your girl, Sil, and I'm back today with an Amazon Prime haul. Okay, so some of this stuff is kind of heavy. So, yeah. Anywho, let's start with the big thing so we can get it out of the way. If this is something that you like, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with someone who may be interested. So I see everybody getting these little what do you call it? Black olive tree, right? So I had to get me one. This is a 5 foot, right? And it's nice. You put it together like you do a Christmas tree. You basically, I don't want to take it out, but you basically just attach the branch. Oh, child, I pulled it off. See, it's like you attach it like a Christmas tree. Now look, I gotta look and see what I'm doing. But it comes with, like, you see, it has a gray base to it. I think the base came in other colors, but I bought gray. So you see how I just stuck that back in there, and you kind of fluff the leaves out, and it has like lifelike olives on there, black and green olives, but it is called a black olive tree. And this one is the 5 foot tall. So yeah. And this is the stand that I got. My swivel chairs have a gold base, and so that's why I got this in gold, but it did come in other colors. And it's okay to mix your metals because my living room coffee table actually is silver. So it's okay to mix your metals. It's your design. You can do what you want to do. So this was easy to put on. I just had to loosen these screws here and this cross part and just put the legs on, and you could pull it in or pull it out depending on how long your or how wide your pot is. So yeah. So that's that. Move that over. Hopefully it doesn't stay in the screen too much. All right. Now, I've been in my home for 8. Is it 8? Good grief. Is it really 8 years? Or 6? I think it's 6. 6 years. And I kind of switch out the curtains a bit. But I got new curtains. So you can see what my theme is. I'm not gonna pull it out because you can see I didn't even put it back in. But I always go to JCPenney's, if you know, you know, to get my curtains. But I got these from Amazon, and they're blackout curtains. You see the print. So this will go on my screen door. I got the 96 inch. I think they're 50 inch wide. But your girl thought it was a pair, and it was only one panel. So I'm waiting for the other panel to come. But you can see what my new color theme is. For some reason, you would really think this is my favorite color, but it's not. But it's so easy to design with it. I always find stuff that color. But anywho, black and white. I changed out my knobs on my cabinet a while ago, maybe a year ago. So I'm going to start bringing in more black. Okay, and you can see the print. I think I love this print too. It's just so weird. But it's pretty good quality. I'm impressed with Walmart. And then I got the same curtain to go over the kitchen sink window. So this is gonna be my new color. What else? This was $69.99 with 50% off. So I paid $39.99. What this is, you know, back in the day, you know, we had our pictures all over the place, all over the walls. But this is actually a digital photo frame. Okay. And matter of fact, no, this is $100. It was on sale for $69.99 with half off. That's what it was. So I really don't know what. Oh, you can hang it on the walls too. Oh, that's cute. I didn't know you could hang it on the wall. I planned on sitting it on the shelf, and you see it has a USB outlet. So I really don't know how it works, but once I set it up, I'll probably do a video to show y'all. But $30, you cannot beat that. I think that was a great price. Because even if you go into Sam's Club and stuff, these things are like 100 or better. So $30. This was the first time that on Amazon Prime, because y'all know I keep a wish list. I got about, no exaggeration, I probably got like 15 wish lists on Amazon. Because I got one for every room. Then I got a general one. Then I got one for my businesses. So yeah, this is a 10.1 inch digital photo frame. So I could take my pictures out of my phone and free up some memory and use this to display my pictures. This is kind of heavy. This is a rug I got, because I've had the same rug since I've been here in my living room. So I got this gray and white. Now this is a popular print that everybody has that I did not want, but I could not beat the price because the area rug that I have in there is a 9x12, and I got it from Wayfair, and it was over $300 on sale. This is a 9x12. It's heavy. 9x12. I paid, I think, $119. To me, that was a bargain. And even though everybody has this design, nobody designs the same. Okay? And here's another rug. This is what happens when you start working at home and you start looking at stuff. You start spending money. Dang, you all can't see this, but I got a 10-foot runner, and it has the colors of the wall. So it has the teal, it has the black, and it has the white. I don't want to put it up yet, but I want y'all to see it. So for you guys. When I tell you I'm really like getting colorful in this house, child, please. It's gonna look like me when you come in here, for real. No more safe. Maybe, I'm trying to see if there's a picture on here, because I'm not about to unroll this thing, y'all. You can kind of see the prints and the colors that's in it. It's gonna look so pretty. You see it? So this wall is over 13 feet, and this is 10 feet. So I think that's all. I know it was other stuff, but some stuff I probably already opened and put into use. But my little nephew, KJ, watches my channel. So KJ, this is dedicated to you. I got my own cards, boo. So when I went to New York this summer, my nephew had me up day and night playing Uno Flip. And it was kind of fun. I actually like this better than the original Uno. So I had to get my own. So there you go. Uno Flip. So these are one of the games that we're going to be playing at the Christmas party this year. So I think that's it for now, guys. I'm trying to think what else is coming that I wanted to share, but I know it was the other curtain because I only ordered one panel, and I feel like it's something else. But anywho, these are some of the deals that I got from Amazon during Prime. Let me know what you got. And if you like it, again, thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe, and please share. Please share, y'all. I finally got to a 3-digit subscribers. So if you would be kind enough tell a friend, tell a family member, tell a foe to go ahead and subscribe. I have a quota I need to meet, and I would love, I need, and I would love for you all to give me a helping hand. So go ahead, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and ask a friend, family, or foe to come to Life with Sil, and let's do life together. Thank you for watching. You all have a great holiday if I don't see you before then. But I probably will, because y'all know I'm going to have a car conversation or something to talk about. So thank you for watching. I love you all. Goodbye. Thumbnail.